So, a very long time ago now, I made a video about the original interior of the van and what our plan was to update it. And that's done. We've actually been living in it for a couple of months, technically. And we are now using it to assist us in completing our hike of the Appalachian Trail that we started last year. So we're currently in Damascus, Virginia, and the van's a little bit messy, but it's cleaner than it normally is, so I thought now would be a good time to give you a tour. The last time we were here together, I had my hot coffee and hair. You'll notice now I'm wearing different glasses. I have no hair, and I have iced coffee, so we're just like making improvements all around here, guys. It's big stuff ahead. So first and foremost, notice this here guy that I'm sitting on. This is our bed. It is a, put this down somewhere, trifold. I don't know if you can actually see it. I'll have to move the bed. Ugh. It's a memory foam trifold mattress, which is currently covered in what is honestly just a pet fur couch cover. So we put this on when we have it in bench mode, excuse me, so that the dogs can jump all over everything because there's no point in trying to keep them off of it. And because we tend to pick up dirty hikers, and that way our bed doesn't stink. So this is literally just a rework of the bed that was originally in here. So it folds up, and I'll try to get a better shot of it in a minute, but it folds up into like a triangle and then comes out. It's like an A and then an L, and then when it folds flat, it's obviously flat, and it is a full-size mattress, so it comes right out to the edge of the shelving unit that I forced Dylan to put in for me. So the other stuff I'm going to show you is our storage. Our major storage is here under the bed. There's 4 wooden crates across the front that are like our quick access stuff, so my clothes, Dylan's clothes, van food that we're like currently going through, although there is another box in the back that has food and kitchen utensils for when we're actually cooking out of the van, and I'll show you all of that. And then we also have a bin that you'll see that's a rolly bin for dog food. I actually haven't even taken the sticker off of it. Okay, so I guess let's take a tour. Okay, so sorry guys, battery's low because Dylan never remembers to plug it in, so that's the cord. Okay, so first things first, the part that I was majorly responsible for was the renewal of the interior. So I picked a beached gray stain for all of the wood that's inside the van. And then we picked this fabric out together that we thought looked like birch bark and rewrapped all of the panels. This is where, if Dylan hasn't decided if he really wants to wire some lights in, but that is where the little like switch box goes. So right now that's just hanging out. I also picked this green as an accent color. You'll notice the wall was weird. So this wall panel, when it was purple, was literally a fleece blanket that somebody taped up there. So that was a thing. It's a very awkward shape though. I did my best to get it covered. I'll figure something out eventually to put along that top edge. Maybe another shelf or something. Anyway, so I made these blackout curtains. They're not the best in the world. I actually videotaped myself making them, and then the way I made them didn't work at all. I'm not 100% happy with them, but for now at least they get the job done. All of these panels that you see around the van are actually lights that we can flip on with a switch. They give kind of a warm light. If I could one day figure out how to replace those with LEDs, that'd be great. So all the side windows, I apologize, by the way, for any screaming that you're hearing. We are outside of a hostel, and Dylan thinks he's funny and is at least a little tipsy, so I'm really a saint for putting up with him. I'm keeping this in the video too. A mother effing martyr. Hope the whole world understands that that is the case. It's exhausting. Okay, back to the tour. Anyway, so I originally bought these fans. You can kind of see over here in the corner. Sorry, the lighting is super weird. But these fans, which are like a tower fan, but the shorter disc version, the power wasn't that great, so we bought these little $10 fans from Walmart, which have been great. So we point one in to pull cold air out, and then the other one is up here in this corner, and that one we turn on when the dogs are in the back because the AC doesn't really push powerfully enough to the back. So this is that cabinet that I was talking about. Right now it has our dog food in front of it. Notice the wood floors were restained, although they're really muddy right now. We also replaced that terrible purple carpet with this pretty green carpet, which also a total mess right now. So this, where all these clothes are that I shoved in here, are this is our inverter down here. And like I said, guys, it's a mess, I'm sorry. So that's where the fans and stuff are plugged in through a power strip. This big bin right here is our actual like battery situation. There's the other fan again, and then this is like our little entertainment center. It might actually be too bright for you to see. Small TV, DVD player, and Dylan's broken PlayStation. And then we actually wired like one of those window antennas. This is our map. So the intent is that the white pins are where people that have been in the van are from, and the blue pins are where the van has been. You can see we stopped doing the blue pins before we left Florida, so I need to update that because we've done a whole bunch through here now. This was designed by a hiker named Four Step that we met. She was really, really cool. She's hiking with the professor that you'll see as a hiker profile in a bit. Anyway, on the Instagram, I think I have it scheduled to post in a day or two. So this cabinet is other quick access stuff. I made Dylan put a locking mechanism on it so that the doors wouldn't fly open. So right now it's kind of a mishmash because I was just trying to find space for stuff that we accumulated. But some extra dog treats and wipes, a little library. That heart-shaped tin is just coins, a candle my mom gave me that smells really good, dog treats, electronics stuff. Some food stuff I didn't have any space for, first aid and Dylan's hat that he won't get rid of. That's my coffee mixes, our little pharmacy, and Dylan's moonshine. So here's that storage I was talking about. You can see that. I picked this box up from a thrift store for $5 and I really, really like it. The bed also actually lifts. Ooh, don't slide. And so then we can access stuff that's in the middle as well. Oops, I keep kicking my coffee. Okay, come out from there. So now, on the doors, we actually bolted this on. This is straight up like volleyball netting, some kind of weird tent we found at a thrift store. And then these pieces to keep anything from falling through are from the original door panels. We just put wood on those. There we go. Old vans, man. Just a wood panel here. So we'll come around to the back and see our cool stickers that our buddy Maverick made us. This van stops for hiker trash. And over here, when the going gets weird, the weird turn pro. Let's see. Build this up. Can you see through there? Not well enough. Okay. Whatever. Okay, so that's that loaded frame. 2 tanks of water, some windshield wash fluid, and extra gas when we need it, and a tire. You can see our AT stickers and our, of course, News Junkie stickers. Oh, that reminds me. while I'm here with you. Oh, the dam's locked. I have to edit the ish out of this. These are the News Junkie magnets that we brought. We brought all the ones we had spares of because I refused to give them all up. So let's go with a Steal Me magnet. I think that seems appropriate. Spread some Game of Magnets love. Maddie Hatter and Dylan the Locksmith are our names on the News Junkie app. For those of you that follow the News Junkie, if you don't follow the News Junkie, here's a shameless plug to tell you to follow the News Junkie. Okay, moving on. There's my pillows, which are gonna fall. So I'm not gonna open this on the way because this is a very precarious situation. Get that up there. That's Dylan's old pack. So I gotta put some stuff down. This is all storage under here. This is kind of like odds and ends stuff. There's a box on the other side that has food. This is actually a griddle pan that I keep wrapped in plastic bags just in case there's any oil so it doesn't get in the carpet. Dylan's fishing kit, of course, as well as like a toolbox and stuff is all in there. So on both doors, hopefully the light's not too bad, I have these wood panels. So it's a spring lock. And there we go. I have a table that I can cook on. It is sealed with polyurethane and stained to match the wood floor. So I've cooked on it a few times, cut out for the handle. And the one that's on the other door is about half as wide, I want to say. So it's a smaller one so that I can actually like stand between them without too much trouble. And then when you're done, you just hold it up and the lock clicks it back into place, which I need 2 hands to do, so I'll do it when I end the video. Anyway, hide from the sun for a second. That is our van, and I hope you liked it, and I hope I didn't give too much away about where we keep stuff or what kind of stuff we keep. Alright, that's all I got. Okay, I'll go edit this now while I finish watching the original Lost in Space. Okay, bye. Oh, I can't get to the